21st of June 2021, and here's Pinninkatu 30, but also this is Katu 8 staircase C. There are staircases A and B here as well. We're gonna try to get it to there as well. There are 7 floors here. The capacity is 3 persons of 240 grams. This is in Tampere, next to the Tampere Square here in Tampere, Finland. Still very original with MP 4 fixtures and mechanical communicator. Built in 1959, turned 60 years old in 2019. The serial number is H18152. Looks like Roman numbers, maybe.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's very amazing. We've been inspected in 2023. And now let's try it. I think by this square, maybe these are the oldest original ones.
Yeah.
But there also there's yellow building, but I think it was merged with Kone.
Yeah.
2 staircases there. If we have time later, maybe we can try, but we'll see.
Yeah.
I like the interior here.
Same here.
But too bad the basement floor is locked off.
Yeah.
I think this is the lock for it.
Yeah, it's quite new. It was open a few years ago.
But were you here like?
No, but this looks so new.
Yeah.
This, yeah. And also code.
With the doors.
Yeah.
Because they cannot be from the late 1950s.
Yeah.
They must have been changed like I don't know a few years ago.
Yeah. Inspected by licensed by Finland.
He also filmed the 1968-69 ones pop out.
Yeah.
They were very amazing, especially as they get say with 10 floors.
Yeah.
But B has a strange code.
Yeah. I didn't got it filmed, but I got staircase A and C.
I have the pictures.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and let's hope we'll get to the staircases A and B as soon as possible.
That's